Hello, this is Ken Leiboff. Welcome to my studio. Tonight I'm going to loop with the SardoChromatic 64 Elite harmonica. I bought this about 5 years ago, and I believe this is one of the first chromatics that Sardo sold. It's a fantastic instrument. It plays great even after all these years. Slide action is perfect. The harmonica is extremely airtight because each reed, which is removable and replaceable individually, sits in its own channel. And it's very airtight, it's very expressive, and very bendy for a chromatic. It was a purchase that I was really glad that I made.